I have found Mr. Miyagi's bonsai tree. They're everywhere. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. Over here. It's huge. Guys, what are we doing right now?
Going on an adventure.
Going on an adventure?
Got on a nice train.
Look at this. This is where we're living for the next 9 hours. Part 2 of our trip. How was the train ride, guys?
It's wonderful.
Sleepy. 9 hours on a train, but basically slept pretty good. Did you sleep good? So. I slept through the night. And then we were woken up to a song. Just for like a 30-minute song. But yeah, it's pretty nice. So now we're riding on the bus with all of our friends to the mountain and this kid. We've been walking for what feels like days. The view has been beautiful. These guys behind me have been troopers. But right now, we're stuck behind a bunch of horses. And this is all we see. Whew. Can't wait to get to the top. Yeah, Josh. I'm gonna kiss you. Got some more coming in. Coming in hot. So yesterday afternoon we finished hiking Tiger Leaping Gorge and we came over to this beautiful city called Lijiang. And if you look behind me, you can see so many buildings. This is a place called Old Town. It reminds me of a scene in Kung Fu Panda where they're doing a chase and they're jumping roof to roof, doing some parkour type stuff. But this city's been just absolutely beautiful. Had the best tea of my life here. Tried yak cheese. And yeah, we've got a couple more hours before we go to our next city. But it's just been fun hanging out with the guys. And right now they're just making fun of me for making this video. But yeah, it's been a blast. So, see ya.